So this is the part 1 video of how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing. No website is needed, no blog is needed with free traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do Pinterest SEO. Pinterest is a guided search engine. That means you can optimize the account with SEO to rank your account and get free traffic to promote your affiliate products. As well as you can also use your boards to rank in the search engine optimization of Pinterest. As well as guys, you can also use the pin to get tons of free traffic in your affiliate links. For that, I'm going to use a brand new account and I'm going to show you step by step, right, SEO of this Pinterest account. So before you subscribe, watch few of my content. It may be for you, may not be for you. If it is for you, subscribe the channel, put that bell notification right away right now and watch this video till the end, because no website is needed, no investment is needed. Just a step-by-step guide to start your affiliate marketing business with this platform called Pinterest. So before we're going to do the keyword research or search engine optimization of this account, I will highly recommend you to create your account with business account. Here you can see you'll get an option like this to create your account like Facebook or Google. Do not go with this. Create your business account clicking here. Okay, no personal account, business account. Put your email, put the password, age, and create your account. Okay, that's how you're going to get this dashboard like this. Okay, this is the quick tips for you. And then guys, you must watch my old video which I was talking about. This is the video I was talking about, right? Pinterest affiliate marketing. You're going to see the keyword research. I showed 4 methods of keyword research on that video. So you must watch that before you watch this video, because it's all about keyword research. There in that video, I showed that how to do the keyword research, as well as I am going to target manifestation and money. These are the 2 keywords I want to target in with this Pinterest account. Okay, I want to rank my Pinterest account with this 2 keyword only. So most of my boards and pin I'm going to make in and around of this pin manifestation, money, these 2 kinds of keywords. Okay, and then rest of my boards and pin will be for all of these kinds of keyword. Okay, so with that, I'm going to do the first step here, and my first step is to find the 5 idle account in Pinterest which is similar to the keyword which is ranking in that particular keyword. This is a small hack which you must implement whenever you create your new website, YouTube channel, or any of these social media platform. So here you can see like money manifestation. If you can see, these are some of the idle account which is ranking here. Okay, so I'm going to go by the pupil only here while selecting the account. So look at this. This is the pupil who is ranking. So I want my account should rank in this particular keyword. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to literally go to this account, the 5 best idle account, and I'm going to see what kind of a post and how they're creating the boards and how they are ranking in this. Okay, this will give you a lot of idea if you're a beginner. So look at this, the kind of a board they're creating. Okay, as well as you can see in this manifestation mindset, which will give you some idea, right, how to do is look at these pins they are using so that I can create my own account like this. Okay, so I'm going to follow a 5 idle account here. For example, like her, she's very good here. As well as also I'm going to search more account here with another keyword. Another my targeted keyword is law of attraction. So I'm going to use this law of attraction, and I want to see, right, not the pin voice, I want to see the pupil voice. Okay, and here you can see one of the account is law of attraction. So this is a amazing account which I'm already following, from where I can learn and I can take my account from zero. Now here is one thing which you should not do. You should not follow any idle account who is doing affiliate marketing. Definitely we are creating Pinterest for affiliate marketing, but not affiliate. Pinterest is not the affiliate selling platform. Okay, affiliate product selling platform. Okay, remember that thing. Every social media is here to entertain, educate their user audience, okay, their audiences. And if you just sell the product like this account have tons of views. But if you can see, look at this, site Google, okay, only promoting an affiliate product. So my strategy is not this strategy. If you're following this strategy, no issues. But this is not the right model. In here, for my target audience, there is no entertainment, there is no education related to manifestation. Okay, so this is not my idle account. Okay, site Google. If I click this one, look at this. They're promoting this offer of ClickBank. I want to grow what Pinterest says. Pinterest says educate and entertain my audience. For them, I'm going to follow somebody who is doing Pinterest with their own website. it should be like 90-10%. Okay, 90% of other people's pin and 10% of affiliate promotion is okay. Okay, so that's what I want to say here. So once you follow this, second step is Pinterest profile SEO. That means optimizing the profile with this two keyword called manifestation and money, as well as the law of attraction. For that, guys, we'll go to our account here, and then we have to click here and we have to go to the setting. So now, guys, here you can see you can optimize all of these first three things like display name, username, and about your profile. So here you can see this, guys. I wrote manifesting angel here. I have given the dash, and then I said how to manifest money. I did the keyword research to find this, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then I wrote like money manifestation. So I optimized two different keyword here, guys, if you focus. Okay, money, how to manifest money, as well as money manifestation. In this keyword only, I want to rank my Pinterest account. Also, guys, once if you did this, you can optimize your username also. Look at this, manifesting angel. I was not getting this two keywords, manifesting angel. So I just put some number here, right? 111, something like that. Okay. So I want an amazing, good profile here, short, sweet description here. For that, guys, how I'm gonna do the keyword research. Let me show you once again here. Like I'm going to type like manifestation here, my main keyword, and you're going to see all these are the lead keywords. Okay, these are the lead keyword. I called as lead keyword, and because Pinterest is a guided search engine, the moment you're going to click this one like manifestation money, it will show you manifesting money, selecting the right, because there is no word called manifestation money. Okay, manifesting money will be the right word. So it will guide you what is the right for you, and then you can use all of this, right, suggested keyword. And now again it will going to guide you, for example, how to manifest money. Now I can use this keyword which I used it here, right, how to manifest money. Okay, now for the profile description also I'm going to do the keyword research on the same way. So here I will go here and I'm going to find this like how to manifest money, something like this, right? Immediately if I'm going to select, I got amazing title here. So this way I will find out a good description here. So here I have a profile description. So this is 160 character here. So here you can see learn money manifestation for beginners with manifestation angel, helping you to manifest money by sharing manifestation methods and money manifestation tips. So if you can see this, I optimize money manifestation for beginners. This is one of the keyword there. And then I use this manifestation angel, one of my username. Okay, helping you to manifest money. Manifest money is another keyword there. And by sharing manifestation methods is another keyword there. And then money manifestation tips, right? Another keyword here. You can put all of your details over here. Okay. And then you're going to say done here. Your profile has saved. And now if you can see your profile, so it will look like this. Okay. Manifesting angel, how to manifest money, money manifestation, learn money manifestation for beginners with manifestation angel, helping you to manifest money by sharing manifestation methods and manifestation money manifestation tips. So now this is my Pinterest profile optimized for SEO. So now my third step is Pinterest board SEO. So now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to click here and I'm going to select like board, and now you're going to optimize the name and description the same way. For that I will go here Pinterest. I'm going to type manifestation. Now you have to decide, right, which two keywords you have to use. Okay, 2 or 3 keywords like journals, money, general ideas, whatever you want, you can use it. For example, I'm going to use like manifestation journal here, and then you will get this suggested keyword also. So I can use manifestation journal and general idea, something like that. Okay, so I can use these 3 keywords. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to use like this, like manifestation journal and general idea. So once we optimize this, then just click here create, and now you'll get some option of saving this kinds of pin here, right, which is relevant to that 2 keywords or 3 keywords which we use. Now we are not going to do this. For this I'm going to get another video. In the part 2 I'm going to show you how to save the pins so that you get maximum click, okay, link clicks. If you go to your account, you can see this is one of the board. So now if you click here, you're going to get this description. Okay, you have to optimize the description the same way, finding all these keywords in your own time so that you can have a proper description. So here you can write almost like 500 keywords. So I already have the description here, right? Like learn journaling for manifesting your dreams. Keeping a manifestation journal will guide you in your manifestation process. And in your manifestation journal, you will learn in this manifestation journal, you will learn various things like daily manifestation journal ideas and how to write a manifestation journal, methods and tips. Still, you can use more keywords, almost like you can use 500 words here in the description. And make sure guys, you're not doing this, something called keyword stuffing. Unknowingly, you will do keyword stuffing. This is called, it's a search engine optimization technique considered web spam or spandexing, in which keywords are loaded into a web page meta tags. So if you put a lot of other keyword thinking that you're going to rank on those keyword, Pinterest will consider that as a spam. Okay, so do not do this, right? Write a good description like this. Meanwhile, the rest you can leave like this only, and you can say done. So now your board is optimized for this. The most important is like now you have to put a lot of pin inside of your board. So if you click here, you're going to get a lot of more ideas here to pin this. But as I said, I'm going to show you in some other videos so that you can get more clicks for that. So that was like board optimization. Now the most important SEO of your Pinterest account is the step number 4, that is Pinterest pin SEO. Now Pinterest pin is the key to drive traffic to your affiliate link or to your website through Pinterest. If you want to make money online with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you should know how to optimize the keywords as well as this pin. Okay, so the moment your target audience is going to type something like manifestation, they're going to see all these pins here first. Okay, not your account, not your board. They have to go second step to get into your account or to board. Even in the account and board, they're going to check your pin only. So for example, right here, I'm scrolling here, and here you can see this I found, right? How to manifest soulmate love into your life. So if I click this one, here you can see I'm going to see 4 most important things under the pin which I can use for SEO. The number 1 is your pin board itself. Number 2 is the title of the pin. Number 3 is the description. And number 4, the hashtag. Here they have not used the hashtag that I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so these are the 4 things which I'm going to optimize if I am looking for the traffic. For example guys, if I want to create a pin, I'll go to the board which I created here. Under the board, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here to create my first pin. So now here you can see pin here which I'm going to upload here, the image or the video, and then the title, description, hashtag and the affiliate link or your website link. So most of you are not using your website and blog because you're starting out. No issues. Everything is all about saving other people's content, but still I'm showing you because pin is the most important thing. Okay, so now we will go to our idle account. That's what I told you, to have 5 idle account. Now you can see how these people are optimizing to stand out in the crowded niche like law of attraction manifestation, how they're writing here. So this will give you a lot of idea what other people are doing in your own niche. Like look at this account again, right? She's writing in her pins like big and bold and all these things. You can see another right account here, like how she is optimizing the pin. Okay, so if I want to read, I will click here, I will see this, I'm going to see the description, title and the hashtags which she's using. So all this will give me idea, right, how I'm going to create for this. So now guys, if I want to optimize for this keyword, how to write manifestation journal, that is an amazing title. If I want to use this in my pin here, so here you can see this is like how to write manifestation journal, and if you can see this is the same account. Okay, self-made ladies, and this is the self-made ladies only. Okay, and now you can see this is awesome content. This is the website link, and if you want to create a pin for this, right, I'm going to take this link from here and I'm going to put it here. Now what I'm going to do is the title, because I already have the title here, so I'm going to go write how to write manifestation journal. Okay, so I'm going to use this same title here in this. Relevancy is the key, guys. Make sure all the title, pin and everything is optimized for that. Description should be optimized for the same keyword, how to write manifestation journal. And I have the link, I have the title, and now I have to write the description. So here I'm going to put the description. So like learn how to write manifestation journal. Manifesting journal is an excellent platform to describe your life story, the way you want to manifest your dream life. Okay, so I use the keywords like manifestation journal here, right? Manifesting journal. Okay, this kinds of keyword I already use, right? Manifest your dream life. Short and sweet description related to my keyword. Okay, and now I'm going to put the hashtag. For the hashtag also, guys, I'm going to do the research here, right? What hashtag is fine for that? For example, like manifestation journal, right? I'm going to do the research in this. like manifestation journal. Okay, I'm going to get a lot of keyword ideas here, right? So I can use that as a hashtag. So few of my hashtag will be these which are relevant to the my title as well as in the description. Okay, so here you can use somewhere between 5 to 10 relevant hashtag. For example, I used here like manifestation and manifestation journal and manifesting journal, manifesting your dreams, manifesting with a journal, manifestation general ideas, law of attraction methods, money manifestation. Okay, something like relevant to my account also I have used. Okay, so this way now I have optimized the title as well as the description, as well as I also optimized, right, keyword, okay, which is totally relevant to the destination site or the URL where I'm sending. Okay, and now the most important another optimization, that is like your image and your video. Okay, so for that you can use Canva have a lot of feature here, so I simply created here. Just watch your idle account and just you can create like this. Okay, Canva have a lot of amazing feature, right, to begin with. I wrote here how to write manifestation journal, manifest your dream life now, something like that. This you have to come up with your own branding. Okay, and download this in your device. So now if you click here, you will get this option, and make sure whenever you save your pin, you should save with the title which you made. Okay, and you're going to select this and you're going to say open here, and then once if your everything is done, then you can select here publish. So now you can see your pin. Now this will something look like this. So everything we have, like the description will be here, right, hashtag will be here, right, and your pin board will be here, and if somebody is going to click in this, they will go to the destination site. So guys, this way we optimize the keyword SEO of our pin as well as our board as well as our account also. In my next video guys, I'm going to show you how to save high quality pins so that you can get targeted traffic so that you can sell affiliate link. Hope you really learn with this video. If you really enjoy and learn, smash that like button and share to your loved one, because this is a free traffic, no website is needed, and you can start making money if you follow the process which I'm going to share you in my upcoming video, in my part 2 video too. So hope you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe my channel, and before you go, I will highly recommend you to watch this video which is about the keyword research of the Pinterest, which is a dedicated video where I showed 4 methods of doing keyword research.